Hello again. I'm recording this video for my colleagues and friends in the Udacity program for the Deep Learning Nano degree. And I just would like to share my experience with getting the promo code. I know that many of you are facing this problem, and I myself faced it. So I just want to show you some things to do so you don't waste your time like I did, and just cut to the chase. So I'm sure you were at this step where you were in lesson 2, when you were applying for the Amazon Web Service credits. They told us to go to resources and then to the AWS credits, and they ask you to go to AWS. At this point, you are supposed to get something. However, it didn't work out for me. And probably didn't work out for you, I'm not sure. So what I did is, like, if you go back to the AWS console, you will see here on the right hand side on the top, you see support. So click on this and then support center. As you can see, I already have opened a case for AWS promotional credits, and it was already resolved. I hope this happened to you soon too. So what to do is create a case. Yeah, you should complain about this because otherwise it's your time that is running. So unfortunately we don't have technical support, so when you click on this, you see that in the basic support plan you can only use these two services, like account and billing support and service limit increase. We cannot use technical support. So what to do is that I chose this one, and then I for type, at the beginning I did something like general and info and getting started, and I chose the category of using AWS and services. And then I filled here a subject like promo code, and then I did some description, and you can attach up to three photos. And then you choose to the way they would contact you. In this case, you might waste some time until they figure out what kind of problem you are really having. So when I started to communicate with them, I figured out that it should be type of educate, because this is an issue related to educate, and the category should be something like credit inquiry. This will make your life easier and save you some time, so just do it this way and type here something like AWS promotional credits, not promo code only, because when they answered me via email, they used this title, and the description just describe what happened, that you are participating in the deep learning with Udacity, deep learning nano degree with Udacity, and that you are supposed to receive a promo code for the promotional credits, but it didn't happen. You didn't receive an email. Just explain this. Maybe if you feel you need to just also attach some screenshots of your issue and send it to them. And of course you can choose any other language you want. Of course English we need. And you can let them either call you by phone and then you talk, or via email when you choose web. I chose web. Maybe it's phone easier for you, but this is what I chose, and then submit. You will, after you submit, you will receive an email that this issue has been registered, and they will contact you as soon as possible and stuff like this. So I will cancel for now because I don't want to do any case creating. So I hope this was helpful, and when they answer you, you will get some emails about like, was it resolved, is this what you wanted, and you will get also an email that is named AWS promotional credit, and this will be what you need. I would have shown you how the email looks like, but I'm sorry, it will take some time to hide the sensitive information for me, so just to be fast and help you as soon as possible, I will finish the video till here, and I hope it was helpful, and hope you all graduate soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.